One of the best ways to catch sniper entry in the market using Fibonacci level is by combining other confluences like support and resistance, psychological level, trend lines, quick rejections, and candlestick formations. To give you full confidence to catch sniper entry in the market, don't rely only on the Fibonacci level alone. Add other confluences that I mentioned earlier in conjunction with the Fibonacci level to be able to get a perfect and good trade setups in the market. If you are new to this channel, please kindly like and subscribe so that YouTube can notify you whenever I upload useful video content. Let's go, guys. This is pounds against US dollar. As a price action trader, the first thing you have to figure out in the market is to understand the direction of the market structure. What is the market talking about? What is the market saying? You have to wait to allow the market to talk to you. That's why you need to exercise a lot of patience in the market to be able to identify a valid market structure to give you a full direction of where the market is going to. Looking at this chart, you can clearly see that the market is in a downtrend direction. The market from this period, we have this high, this lower low, which that took out this previous lower low here. Then we have this current lower low. Then we have another lower high here. Then we have another lower low that took out this lower low here. Now we should be expecting a pullback that will give us a lower high for the continuation of the bearish movement. How do we use our Fibonacci to catch sniper entry in the market? This zone here was the last lower high that was created in the market. This zone here is the current lower low. How do you connect your Fibonacci? It's by connecting the recent lower high to the recent lower low. Now this space is the recent lower high, then you connect it to the recent lower low. Now our Fibonacci has been established. Like I said earlier on, don't rely only on the Fibonacci level. Also use other confluences in combination with the Fibonacci level, such as support level, psychological level, trend line, candlestick formations. As you can see clearly, we can establish a valid trend line in the market right now. This is a peak here. If you connect it to this recent peak, the second peak here, then we have a valid trend line. There is high probability for price to obey the trend line on the third touch. Now we're expecting market to touch the trend line on the third touch, and on the trend line we have Fibonacci level 0.5, we have Fibonacci level 0.618 for the continuation of the downtrend. We've gotten a confluence 1 Fibonacci level, confluence 2 trend line, then we are looking for another confluence. We can see clearly we have a resistance zone here. We're able to gather a lot of confluences to give us full confidence that we are on the right channel. We are on the market side. We should expect market to give us a retracement, a retest back into this major level resistance for the continuation of the bearish movement. Now let's play our candles bar. Now you can see the price is going up. Boom. Now price is already at the major resistance level around this zone here known as our POI. This zone we call this zone as POI. POI means point of interest. Point of interest. This zone is known as our point of interest. These are point of interest around this zone. Now what are the confluences we have around this zone? We have our resistance level, we have our Fibonacci level, we have trend line level. Now the next thing to look for our sniper entry. And how do we get our sniper entry? Is by going to the 5-minute time frame to look for M pattern. You can look for M pattern, which signify a bearish reversal pattern or look for candlestick formation. Now on our 5-minute time frame, let's play the candle and see what the market. Now price already gave us a double top, or you can call it M pattern. Now we are risking about 15 pips in this trade. Now our first target is going to be the 100% Fibonacci level, while our final target is going to be the extension of the Fibonacci level. Now let's play the candle. Can you see the direction of the market? Boom. Price has reached our final take profit.
Hey guys, if this video has blessed you in one way or the other, please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification button so that YouTube can notify you when I upload useful video content. Thank you guys. See you next time.